Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to change your status update in WhatsApp quickly and easily. First of all, open your WhatsApp app and head to the Updates tab at the bottom of your screen. Here, you will be able to see all the status you have posted. Now, to change your status, you need to delete your current one. Tap on the three-dot menu next to your status and choose Delete. After that, you can upload a new status. To do this, go to the Updates tab and select Add Status to create a new update. You can either take a new photo or video instantly or choose one from your gallery. If you just want to post a text update, tap on Text. Now, type your message, add emojis if you want, and even change the background color using the color palette option. Also, you can adjust who sees your status by tapping on status, and from there, choose whether you want all contacts, selected contacts, or exclude specific people. Once you are happy with how it looks, tap the send button to post it. And that's it. Now you know how to change your status update in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.